Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic which we will discuss is the coordinate geometry, and the subtopic which we will discuss is how to find the distance when two coordinates are given. And part 2 is find the distance when one coordinate and line equation is given. So these are basically the two topics which we will discuss today in the class. First topic is that you have been provided with the two coordinates and you are asked to find out the distance between the two coordinates. Simple, that the if we draw a graph like this, y-axis, and this is basically the x-axis, and the line passes like this. So basically the you have to find out if the coordinate at this point, which is a, and the coordinate at this point, which is basically b, is given to you. So how can you find the distance between the two coordinates, or the distance of this line? Question number 1, which is two coordinates are 2 comma 3 and 4 comma minus 1, which is given to you, and you have to find out the distance. So the basic formula to find out the distance between the two coordinates is d equals to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Before that, you have to define the value of x1, x2, y1 and y2. If you are considering the value x1, so the immediate value for this in this coordinate is y1. You cannot suppose the x1 and x2. The coordinate define as the value of x and y. So if you are taking the value of x1 is 2, the value of y1 should be 3. Similarly, the value of x2 is 4, the value of y2 is minus 1. After finalizing the values of x1, y1, x2, y2, you have to substitute these values in the given formula, which is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. The value of x2 which is given to you is 4 minus the value of x1 is 2 whole square plus the value of y2 is minus 1 minus the value of y1 is 3 whole square. After solving, 4 minus 2 will give us 2, and the square of 2 is 4, plus minus 1 and minus 3 will give us minus 4, and square of minus 4 is 16. So final answer is under root 20 units. So basically the distance between the two coordinates is under root 20 units. The question may ask you in the form of a length. So the length and distance is basically the same. So if the question asks you that you have to find out the length between the two coordinates, you have to apply the same formula. Done? Similarly, if we change the question, the next question which is given to you is minus 2 comma 1 and 8 comma 2. So after first of all substitute the values, finalize the values. The x1 is minus 2, the value of y1 is 1, the value of x2 is 8, and the value of y2 is 2. After finalization of the values, what you have to do, just substitute the values in the given formula. X2 minus x1, that is 8, minus the formula. This sign indicates the negative sign of the formula, and this negative is basically the value of x1. So negative and negative will become positive. 2 whole square plus y2. The value of y2 is 2, negative is a formula, and the value of y1 is 1 whole square. After solving, 8 plus 2 will give us 10, and the square of 10 is 100, plus 2 minus 1 is 1, and the square of 1 is 1. So under root 101 is basically the distance or the length between the two coordinates of the which are given to you. Okay? So I think the question is quite clear that if you have been provided with the two coordinates and you are asked to solve the question and find out the distance between the two coordinates or find out the length between the two coordinates, so how can you simplify it and solve the question to find out the value of d or the value or the length of the between the coordinates or the length of the line. Moving on towards our second task, which is how to find out the distance when one coordinate and the other one is the line of the equation which is provided to you. Similarly, if you have been provided with a question 2 comma 3 is the coordinate and the equation is 2x plus 3y equals to 11. So first of all, what you have to do, just arrange the equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0. If I arrange this equation in the form, it will become 2x plus 3y plus minus 11 equals to 2. Because after shifting plus 11 from right hand side to the left hand side, it will become negative. And the coordinate which is given us is 2 comma 3. The formula which we have to apply is d is equal to modulus of ax plus by plus c modulus close divided by square root of a square plus b square. What does modulus mean? Modulus basically helps you to convert the negative term into the positive term. That means if we are getting the answer of ax plus by plus c negative, it will convert it into positive. Like if we are getting the answer -3, it will turn it into positive 3. Simple. Because we all know that the distance can never be in the negative form. So moving on, we have to decide the value of a, the value of b, and the value of c. The value of a is the coefficient of x, the value of b is the coefficient of y, and the value of c is the constant. Like the value of a is 2, the value of b is 3, the value of c is -11. The value of x which is given is 2, and the value of y is 3. To solve the question, what you have to do, just simply substitute these values in the given formula modulus. The value of a is 2, the value of x is also 2, plus the value of b is 3, the value of y is also 3. The value of c is -11, and modulus close, divided by under root. The value of a square is 2, 2 square is 4, plus the value of b is 3, 3 square is 9. So after solving, we will get 2 2s are 4, plus 3 into 3 will give us 9, plus minus minus 11 divided by under root 13. So after solving, we will get 4 plus 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 minus 11 is 2 divided by under root 13. So our final answer is 2 upon 13 under root 13. And if we take, or if we rationalize the term, it will become so the final answer which we will receive is 2 under root 13 upon 13. This is the final answer which we will get, or this is the distance between a line and a coordinate which is given to you like 2 comma 3. So the distance between the line and the coordinate which you have to find out the distance is 2 under root 13 upon 13. So I think the question makes you quite clear that how can you find out the distance if a coordinate is given to you and the line of a equation is provided to you. So here are some of the questions which are given to you to solve it by yourself and comment me. The questions are, the two coordinates which are given are -2 comma 1, -3 comma -2, and you have to find out the distance. Question number 2 is 4 comma 3 and 6 comma -4. Similarly, question number 3 is -2x plus 4y equals to 10, and question number 4 is x plus y minus 9 equals to 0. So these are the 4 questions you have to solve and comment me below. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care.